Yeah, it's playing in the car. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Karen and I don't know. Karen and I are about to go and do, I don't know, toes done. Not nails done, toes done. And happy Sunday. Something's blocking it. I don't know. Might have to hold the button, babe. Anyway, so yeah, so we're about to go around. Gotta drop off hubby. He's gotta do the oil change on his one of his parents' other car. So, about to go do that. And I was thinking about going to Target, but then I just realized I left my Target card upstairs. So I don't know. I have to do some washing of some clothes and stuff. So, but take you guys along. We're about to go get our toast in. See you in a bit. Hey you guys, how you guys doing? Whew, okay. So yes, it's hours later. You know, we already got our toes done and stuff. And I went to the store and got a couple of things because I'm making my husband, I guess, some Sunday dinner because he hasn't eaten like really well in a while, and now he's kind of slowing down with his working. So now on Wednesdays he's not gonna work in their job number 2. So I'm really excited he'll be home to get some rest. Cause you guys, I be worrying about my man. I really do. I worry about my baby. He works hard for us every day, and where we live and where he works, it takes him about an hour and a half to get to LA, and then he has to drive all the way to Riverside, and then you come out. It's just a lot of driving, and then you got to work on top of that. That's just a lot. So I appreciate him. I really do. And so right now I am making. Let me show you guys. I'm making some pork chops. And I don't know if I'm going to show you because the stain. Woohoo. Some greens, baby. I'm making some greens. And I'm going to be making some mashed potatoes as well. So, yes, I'm getting it ready. Hold on one second. So, yes. So I'm getting things together, and just getting things together so he can eat and then he can go to bed. Right now he's not even here. He's at his parents' house because he did the oil change on his parents' second car. Why does it look like I'm blurry? I don't know why I look like I'm blurry. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Okay, let me try to set you guys up here. So, yes, hon. How you guys been doing? I know I've been my little normal slacking. But, I've been just working and every day. Now the time has changed. Maybe that will motivate me now because it's 6:56 and it's still daylight. So that hour, now it's not getting dark so fast. So we have a little daylight time. So yeah, the time changed today. So yeah, today is March 12th. Yes. But yes, so I'm just doing my normal Sunday stuff. Washing clothes, getting things in order. Now I'm cooking dinner, and so we can get everything together for Monday. And that's about it, you guys. We really didn't do anything. Just day-to-day life, working and doing day-to-day stuff. So, but Karen and I, we had went out and. Honey, I had to get my toes done. These toes, I couldn't show you how they look before, baby, because that's embarrassing. My feet, where my feet were. No, 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 no. And I did get my hair done, but my curls fell out. And I've been looking at my face and I'm like, girl, you look like you just woke up. That's the way I'm looking. I don't know why. I mean, I did sleep in today. We got up about 11 something. But still, I shouldn't be looking like this. I don't know, you guys. I turned 45 and to me I'm looking like I need to start wearing some makeup like every day. I'm like looking like I'm in my 40s now. Okay? And I shouldn't be. I don't know. So right now, also, I'm catching up on watching my YouTube, watching the people that I like to watch. I was watching, I'm watching Gina Janine, catching up on her episodes. I'm watching her, and then I'm also trying to catch up on all the other people that I watch as well. So I think some of them put out some stuff today. So, and then I'm trying to make sure that I catch up on all my shows. You guys know I'm a TV head. I am a TV head. So, but yeah, just doing that, you guys. I'll make sure that these pork chops are sitting here nicely. Alrighty. Put that there. I'm a hand washer, you guys. I constantly wash my hands. Well, alright, I just kind of want to, catch you guys up on what's been going on. Karen is, another boy asked her to go to prom because Karen's in 11th grade, so next year she'll be in the 12th grade. For now, ordering a dress for her prom, got the dress, and some kind of way they stitched the zipper on wrong, so it's not like going up. So I wish Fashion Nova, that's where I ordered the dress from, had a person I could talk to so I can send it. And because when I tried to do the return policy, it just keeps going a loop and loop and loop. I don't know. You guys, leave a comment. Let me know how to do this because I'm trying to figure this thing out. So she might actually order her dress on Shein. I don't know. I was looking at those dresses on her phone and I was like, I think, yeah, those dresses are nice. And it's about the same price because I didn't spend that much money on the Fashion Nova dress at all. So, because it's a sale going on. But, yeah. Trying to get all this stuff together. And because I don't want no last minute stuff. I'm glad I don't have to go buy no more shoes. She's using the shoes she wore for one formal. And all we got to do is to get her hair done. Yes, because I told her, I said, we'll go big on your prom. We're not going big on other people's prom. No. We still going to have you look cute, but we're not going big on other people's prom. So, having a champagne party, inviting all friends and family over, and dinner, and taking pictures and balloons. Yes, I'll do that for your prom. Okay? So that's going on right now. And, as you can hear, the house is quiet. Karen over at a friend's house. Darren Jr. at work. Hopefully he should be actually getting off, so I don't know. A lot of times he does work overtime. Sebastian at his friend's house. So everybody just, leave. You guys, my kids is getting all big and grown on me, so, a lot of my kids are adults, so they pretty much do what they want. And Karen's the only one I really worry about because she's a baby. And she's 17. So, yes. But other than that, it's just me and hubby trying to get things in order, and that's about it, y'all. So, I will show you guys how dinner looks when it's ready. And I'll see you guys back in a few.
Daydream with me, let your mind explode.
Hear the song and she goes with that ding, ding, ding. Just flinging poo. He wasn't ready. Yeah. Definitely wasn't ready. Yeah.
That's what I forgot, my damn AirPods.
Fuck!
As soon as I heard the click,
You want to share AirPods?
He wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready. No, I can't connect this up. That's not how it works.
Yeah, because you get.
That's how it works.
Right, but I ain't trying to listen to music.
Like, what are you saying, babe? Lord Jesus, sitting there choking and stuff. Hey, you guys. All right, so we just came back from Target, and boy, did we put a little damage in there. You know how Target do it. We came in there for some detergent and came back with $200 worth of stuff. So I keep seeing and hearing on YouTube about this Oli Pop right here. So with this is probiotics, plant fiber, supports digestive and immune health. I have the orange squeeze sparkling tonic.
You gonna doo-doo.
Shut up. So I want to see how this tastes. Okay, so you guys can get my straight reaction.
Poor toilet.
Poor toilet.
Okay, it smells like orange. Hey, this is not bad. It does have a slight aftertaste, but this is not bad. I can drink this.
Look at them.
And normally I don't drink sparkling stuff. And Karen want to try it. And she just drank some ocean spray now.
Is this soda?
Huh?
Is this soda?
It's well, it has sparkling in it, so no. It gives that little, spray. It tastes good, huh?
That's alright.
It has that slight aftertaste, but I can drink it.
You know I don't drink soda.
Yeah, it has vegan, polio, all that, non-GMO.
There.
All that bullshit.
It says 5 grams of sugar
Yeah.
per can, 45 calories. It's not bad, you guys.
No.
Yeah, because I tried the other stuff.
When you get to the house,
I don't know. I didn't care for it. I still have like 2 more cans. I need to try that.
what you gonna do?
I need to try that. So, but I will show you
Forget that.
the things that we got when we get back to the house. So, see you in a bit. Alright, so I made my tomato soup. And this, delicious. So let me try it here.
Ready? Please. Let's do it.
This soup is good. Delicious. You gotta try it. With the garlic bread too. You guys. Just don't know. Yes.
We went the wrong way. We went the wrong way.
Go to the street.